Traditional education is designed to keep you stuck. Most people approach learning math and complex skills completely the wrong way. They start by memorizing endless formulas, rules, and procedures. But the moment they face a real-world problem or an unfamiliar exam question, they freeze. Here is the truth. Your brain does not master math through rigid rules and rote memorization. It learns through pattern recognition, intuition, and visual context. In this video, I am breaking down the exact 5-step system that will transform how you learn, think, and master complex subjects. And stick around because step 4 is a technique almost no one talks about, but it will cut your learning time in half. Before you open a single textbook or write a line of code, you need to understand how your brain prioritizes information. Most people quit learning hard subjects not because the material is too difficult, but because they lack a strong emotional connection to why they are doing it. Think about it. When you view math as just abstract symbols on a chalkboard, your brain treats it as useless noise. But when you connect those concepts to real-world applications, whether it's artificial intelligence, space exploration, architecture, or understanding nature, everything changes. Rank your learning goals by their practical impact and your personal passion. Give yourself a clear, compelling reason. When the initial excitement fades, and it will, that core motivation is the only thing that will keep you going until you reach true mastery. Here's a secret that top performers use. 80% of your time should be spent absorbing high-quality input, and only 20% should be spent forcing output. Your brain learns by processing vast amounts of structured examples before it can comfortably produce solutions on its own. The key is finding what cognitive scientists call comprehensible input. If your current understanding is at level 5, do not jump straight to level 10 quantum mechanics. You will just burn out. Target content at level 6. Challenge yourself just enough to push your boundaries while keeping the core concept clear and intuitive. One of the biggest mistakes students make is memorizing isolated equations using repetitive flashcards. Your brain does not store information like an index card file. It stores information as an interconnected network of ideas. Instead of memorizing a formula in isolation, learn the story behind it. What problem was Newton trying to solve when he developed calculus? How does this equation model real-life motion? You can even leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to generate short, intuitive visual analogies or real-world scenarios. When you learn concepts in context, you retain them effortlessly. This is the game changer your teachers never told you about: active shadowing and mental rehearsal. When you study a brilliant solution or an expert explanation, don't just passively read it. Immediately close your notes and talk through the reasoning out loud in real time, mimicking the flow and logic of an expert. By verbalizing the step-by-step logic, you rewire your neural pathways and bridge the gap between passive understanding and active mastery. To make consistent progress without burning out, divide your learning routine into 3 smart daily blocks. Block 1 is focused immersion. 60 minutes of uninterrupted, deep focus where you tackle new, challenging concepts and solve core problems. Block 2 is active review. A short 15-minute session in the morning or evening to review key principles, formulas, and logic steps. Block 3 is passive absorption. Listening to educational podcasts, science breakdowns, or conceptual lectures while commuting, exercising, or right before sleep. Studies show that passive exposure right before sleep significantly boosts memory consolidation. Turn your daily routine into a learning engine, and you will achieve remarkable results.